Yo, Bitcoin just made me $5,000 in the course of a day and a half. I'm gonna show you exactly how I did this so that you can do it too, because it ain't too late for you, right? You can make the same kind of money I'm making all the time. All right. So I got on Instagram yesterday, right? And I told the people this. Yo, what's good? Hey, I had to hop on here real quick because I just noticed Bitcoin was getting low again. So yeah, I remember when I turned the 5 cent or the 10 cent into like $1,000, right? Took that profit, boom. Then it dropped back down. Right now it's at like 61,000 or 60. All right. That's the perfect spot to go ahead and get in if you want like the Forex side of things. So if you ain't got no Sway account, you better get you one. Go on, get in there. Because I'm telling you, once this Bitcoin halving start and this thing starts shooting back up to the 70s and 80s and all that, you want to make sure you're in good position. Right now is a good position. So I told him to get in early, right? The next day. I told y'all, man, look, I woke up this morning and my account was at 2,000. So I put 1,000 in there, right? The profit was at 2,000. So I closed out 1,000 of it. And now I'm still in profit another $1,300. Then Bitcoin decided to dip back to 60,000. So that was another buy opportunity for your boy. So I did 2 more 15-cent lot sizes. Today I woke up with the sleepy face, and boy. Oh, I know you see Bitcoin at 4,000 profit for me. Look at this. Look at this. I already took $1,000 profit yesterday. So they took a fee, of course, swap fee. If you know anything about Forex, they take a swap fee. So now I'm, down. But over here, we up 4,000 profit for today. It dipped below 60,000 again, and I bought in again at 15 cents, and now we up 4,000. So how did you do it, Jay? What did you do? Let me show you, man. Yo, so while we on here, let me go ahead and take this profit. I need to come on down here and close all these out at 4,000. Yes, sir. Give me my paper. All right. So now you can see the balance, 59. Come on, man. God is too good. Stop playing with me. We really do this. Yes, we really do this. God is good. All glory, honor, praise goes to Jesus Christ, man. You dig? All right. Yo, all right. So one thing to note is that Bitcoin is around 60-something thousand, right? So the average person could not buy one Bitcoin, right? So if you're doing it on like Coinbase, you won't make as much money because you don't have that much money in there, and you would need at least, $20, $30, $40,000 to really move, see them kind of moves, right? The reason why we do it on Sway and on the Forex side of things is because you can fractionalize it. Basically, you can get in for, 15-cent lot sizes and 10-cent lot sizes and catch the big moves. You basically just day trading like you would Forex, right? But you rather do it over here because you can make twice as much, right? So some people be like, oh, it's too late to get into Bitcoin, because they don't understand that you can get in on this Forex side of it and really capitalize off of it, right? So if you don't have a Sway account, you need to get you one below, right? And then after that, you will be able to see whenever Bitcoin has a good run. So let's say it hits 70K, right? And then it dips. You always buy the dip. We buy the dips no matter what. In stocks, it don't matter, right? You buy the dip. So let's say it went from 70K down to 60K, right? That's a huge dip. So now you buy in small lot sizes, right? And then all it has to do is get to 62, 63,000, right? If it gets back to 70, you way up. But if it only gets to 62, 63,000, which is very volatile, the market moves in crypto a lot. So if you get in at the floor of it, boom. And let's say it rises up to 75, you way up. Even if you put in $200, right, off a 3-cent lot size, you way up on your account, tripled it, right? And that's what you look for. So anytime Bitcoin takes a huge dip, let's say it goes back down to like 15K, you hear about it, it goes down to 12K. You better hop in this Sway account, and you better get in that thing and hold that mug. You feel me? Let's say it get up to 100 and something thousand, right? And people start talking about that it's gonna take a correction, because a pullback, basically. Forex, we know it as a pullback. So let's say it's gonna pull back. You better hop in that sell at the top, ride it down to like 91,000 or something like that, and get your money. But that's how you can do it. So let me show you exactly what I be doing. But look at this market structure. Market goes up, pulls back, shoots out of there. Okay, it's gonna keep doing this, right? Notice the 20 is now carrying what? The candles. We got a big surge. This was another entry. We got a small candle here, retest off the 20, a big surge out. You could have at least hopped in here, caught you some money up here, boom, and you in there, right? This is what it's all about. Making money is not hard, y'all. You just got to get in at the right time. Okay? That's some quit your job. Like, what? From $1,000 over a course of a day? Stop playing, man. $4,000 over a course of a day. So I did 1,000. I put 1,000 in here, y'all. You know what I'm saying? And that's a crazy flip. Crypto is good for that kind of stuff. And they do got all type of cryptos on here. So all the crypto market is booming. We in what we call like Bitcoin halving. So the last Bitcoin halving, of course, y'all know is when Bitcoin was low at like 3K, right? And that thing shot up to 60K, right? So now they expecting, Bitcoin to go from where it is now to around 80, 90, 100K. Don't know if that's going to happen, but it happened last time. So, hey, I was going to hold, but it's so volatile right now. Like I said, yesterday it was at 64, then it dropped right down to 60. So I'm like, okay, well, I'm back up. Let me go ahead and take this profit. If it dips to 60 again or below, I'll hop in again. Ride that thing back up, take more profit, and just continue to do that. And I expect y'all to do the same thing. You feel me? Remember, use this 200 to your advantage. Use this 20 to your advantage. Watch how the trades play out. It works on anything, and I just had to prove that to y'all. And yes, this is a real account. ECN, stop playing. Come on, man. Remember, anytime we get a dip below the 200 and a dip below the 20, that's money. You know what I'm saying? Or same vice versa. We use this. Look at it. Look at this entry on Bitcoin down here. Stochastic low. Entry for the buy. Boom. Crossed above. Another buy. Right? Pull back. A little bit of drawdown. You still in this trade too. Another buy because we retested off here. Surged out of there. You up. You hear me? And on a small amount. You don't even need a lot of money to do it. You just got to make sure your lot sizes is good for what you doing. So me, I did a 0.75. I did 2.75s, and I still had a lot of margin left on my $1,000. Because of the entry, it wasn't that much drawdown when I got in. You know what I'm saying? Because I got in at 60 and never dipped below 60. So it was good. But yeah, man, just keep your eyes on Bitcoin, y'all. I'm telling you, you can make some good money in here. And if it dip, because it may go from here and may skyrocket, but if it does dip from here and go back to 60 or 50, you better hop back in because it will rise back to at least 60, 65, or 70. You know what I'm saying? So let's get it.